Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss what is meant by rank of matrix. Let us consider the definition. Let A be any matrix of order m by n. So if A is a null matrix, then the rank of A is 0. So what is the meaning of null matrix? Means the given matrix A, it has both rows and columns are 0. Then what is rank of that matrix? The rank of that matrix is 0. If A is a non-zero matrix, then only we can say that R is a rank of the given matrix. R is nothing but it satisfies any number. Okay, and it satisfies, there are two conditions. First condition is if every R plus 1th order minor of A is 0. What is the meaning of R plus 1th order minor? Means let us consider the given matrix A. That matrix order is R plus 1. Okay. Next we find minor of A. Minor of A is nothing but the determinant of that particular matrix. Once we find the determinant value, that means modulus of A value is 0, then we go for next stage. Suppose you get suppose we get the modulus of A value is not equal to 0, therefore R plus 1 is a rank of the given matrix. Let us consider R plus 1th order minor of A is 0, then we have to reduce the matrix. So what is your A matrix order? R plus 1. If we reduce this matrix, we get what? R matrix. Okay, so there exists at least any one of the rth order minor of A which is not equal to 0. So if you reduce this matrix, we get rth order matrix. Again we find modulus of A value. Once we get modulus of A value is not equal to 0, therefore R is a rank of the matrix. In case the modulus of A of order R is, you get answer is 0, then again we have to apply the same theory once again. That means again we reduce this matrix. If we reduce this matrix, we get R minus 1 order matrix. Next we find modulus of A value. Once we get answer is not equal to 0, therefore R minus 1 is a rank of the given matrix. So we consider what? Rth order matrix what? Which is not equal to 0. Therefore R is a rank of the matrix. Let us consider one example. For example, we consider A equal to 3 by 3 matrix. What is order of this matrix? That is called R plus 1 is called here 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now I am going to find a minor of A. Minor of A is nothing but we find a determinant value of this matrix. So here if you find a determinant value of this matrix, we get answer is 0. Okay, so once we get answer is 0, now we have to reduce order of this matrix. If we reduce order of this matrix, we get what? Either 2 by 2 matrix, other way next reducing matrix what? 1 by 1 matrix. So therefore what is the rank of this matrix is, this matrix rank is what? It is strictly less than 3. You should not get a rank value is 3. Either you get a rank value is 1, otherwise rank value is 2. Why? Because determinant of this matrix value is what? 0. Suppose you get modulus of A, that value is not equal to 0, therefore rank is what is the rank of this matrix is 3. Okay, so here you get 0. So now I am going to reduce 2 by 2 matrix. So here there are so many possibilities are there. 2 by 2 matrix. If we consider this 4 value, this is one of the 2 by 2 matrix. If we consider this 2 value, another 2 by 2 matrix. If we consider this 2, another 2 by 2 matrix. So what is second condition? There exists at least one rth order. So here there are so many 2 by 2 matrix are there. I am going to consider only one 2 by 2 matrix. That means these 4 elements. Okay, that is nothing but A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we find modulus of A. That is called what? Minor of A. Minor of A is nothing but we find a determinant value. Determinant of this matrix, we get what? Answer is not equal to 0. Why? Because 1 4s are 4. 4 minus 6 na, we get minus 2. It is not equal to 0. So once we get not equal to 0, therefore what? What is the rank of this matrix? Rank of this matrix is 2 and it is denoted by row of A. Suppose we get this matrix value is 0. Again we reduce this matrix. If you reduce this matrix, there are 4 different type of 1 by 1 matrix. 1 by 1 matrix means it contains only one element, either 1, otherwise 2, otherwise 3, otherwise 4. So again we find modulus of A. Modulus of A value is what? You get obviously not equal to 0. Therefore rank of A is called what? 1. But coming to this matrix, if you reduce this matrix, immediately we get modulus of A value is not equal to 0, therefore the given matrix, therefore the rank of this matrix is what? 2. So what is the meaning of rank of matrix? Rank of matrix is nothing but your A value is non-zero matrix, then only we can able to say rank of the given matrix. So first condition is what? Every r plus 1th order minor of A is 0. That means determinant value of 0. Then we reduce that particular matrix. After that again we find modulus of A. Once we get modulus of A value is not equal to 0, therefore rank of that particular matrix is what? That order of matrix. Okay, this is called rank of the matrix. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.